Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do an install on the smoked axial turn signals. Thanks for watching the first introduction video. If you did, I know it was pretty rough. Spent like 5 minutes on that PowerPoint presentation. So if you watched that, thank you. It was a rough video, but it's the first video. So first video is always going to be pretty awkward. But I'm excited for this install today. It's pretty easy. Probably take you about 15 minutes per side mirror. So let's get into it. So you can see here we got these stock OEM turn signals made out of halogen bulbs. I don't really like the look, so that's why I wanted to change it. But we'll get into the steps and you'll be able to see the finished product. So when you order these smoked axial turn signals, the kit really doesn't come with much. Just comes with the turn signals here. You can see the smoked turn signals here. Pretty cool looking. But I ordered these off of americantrucks.com. Shout out americantrucks.com. Love that website. But the kit doesn't come with much. It also comes with an instruction guide, but we won't really use that today. I already watched their video on their website on the install, so I'll show you guys the steps. It's pretty easy. So first what we want to do is take our side mirror, kind of flip it out so we get more room to work with, and we're going to tilt the mirror down, and so we have access to this little crevice right here. Basically what we're going to do is use our fingers to pull that down. It's a little awkward. The video on americantrucks.com, the guy said it was pretty awkward, but if you trust it, then it'll pop right out. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So once you rip your mirror off, this is what it's gonna look like. Just leave your mirror glass hanging down like that. And there's gonna be these 4 screws right here. We're gonna wanna unscrew them so we can pop this backing off. So once you unscrew those 4 screws, here, let me show you the screw positions. We got 1 right there, 2 right there, 3 down there, and then 4 right here. So once we unscrew all 4 screws, we're gonna pop the mirror cover off so we have access to our turn signal and the turn signal wiring harness right here. So we're gonna pop this wiring harness off and we're gonna pop the turn signal out, and I'll show you guys the new turn signals. Okay, so here's the new turn signal. I went ahead and put the back cover back on and put the mirror glass back on. And so this is what it looks like now. It's much more flush and I really like it. It's nice, and I will show you guys the turn signal mechanism. So here's what it looks like now. It's a sequential LED turn signal. It's going from the inside out. Much cleaner look, brighter lights, and just more of a flush finish. I really like it. So we're gonna do the same process on the other side, and I'll show you guys the finished product there. Okay, so I did the same steps to the right mirror as I did to the left mirror, and now we got both of them on there, and I'm just loving the setup right now. I think it looks way better than OEM. The LEDs are super nice. You guys saw the mechanism, it's pretty cool. So I'm really liking this mod. I have a couple mods on the truck besides this one, so I'll show you guys that in a separate video. I'll just kind of make a video of basically an overview on the truck. And this is sort of the first exterior mod that I've done, but I'm really liking this one. Thank you guys for tuning in to the channel. I really liked making this video. I think the turn signals came out really well. So if you guys want to see more content like this, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to be posting more content, kind of fixing up the truck a little bit, putting some mods on it. So stay tuned.